Hey guys, welcome back to NYB. Today your host will be me, and today we're gonna make these really nice, affordable bracelets, which look kind of like this. This one I bought, but they're kind of expensive, so I wanted to teach you guys how to make a cheaper version of it. So today I chose my theme to be the Key of Happiness bracelets, but you don't have to choose this. You can use any charm that you'd like, but let's get into what you need for this. So first, of course, you need hemp cord. This is 100% natural, but it obviously doesn't have to be that. And you can choose the color that you'd like. Next, you need pliers, very important. And hot glue is also very important. Scissors would be nice. And the charm that you choose, like I said, we choose keys. And then the little ring. So let's get into this. So first I prepped it a little bit so it would be a little bit faster. I cut this about maybe 10 inches, but you make it to the size that you think would be good. You need it enough so you can adjust it. Then this one I made about 4 inches. It's a white one. And then these two, which are probably about an inch, of white so that the key doesn't move around. Here's the finished product over here, but that's just my first try, so it'll look a little different this time, hopefully. So first we need to take this and place it here so that we can adjust it to about that. Then we want to take this piece and wrap it around. Sorry if this is taking a while. So then you want to take your hot glue. Make sure that you are careful with this. And if you're under the age of 13, make sure you have a parent with you for this part. Sorry. So here you want to take your hot glue gun. We have two here, but I like to use this one. And I'm just going to apply it to the white part, making sure that it does not get on the red part. And we don't want a lot, so. And just kind of move the white part on it. Making sure that you don't touch the hot glue. And then with this side, you want to try to get this side on there too. So both sides on the white and pressure it down, but after a while because you don't want it to be hot. Press it down. Down, and then it's adjustable, so that's super cute. This one's going to be smaller than the other one. I made the other one kind of bigger, so this one's going to be for a smaller hand. But if you, like I said, it's good to measure your hand so you know what you're working with. So there's that part, and that was really just the hard part, so we got that out of the way, which is good. Next, you have your little ringlet, and the pliers are definitely important. Now this is a needle nose head plier, but then there's also this one, and I actually prefer this one. Not sure what this one's called, but this one is a needle nose head, just so This one, you kind of just want to take the plier and, hold on. So you want to hold it and move the plier. Make sure your hand is on the steady side. There we go. Then you take the key, put it in, move the plier back, and press the two parts of the ring together with the plier. But don't overdo it or it'll like slide. So then it should look like this or this. We're actually going to use this one because I like the tinier key better. And so then we have to open it up again. You could keep it open before you put on the string. I just wanted to show you guys how to close it. Slide it in the string. And then push it back together. Like that. So there's that. Then next, you can finish like this. This looks really cute. But if you don't want it to move when you have it on, like you don't want it to slide over to this side because that's a bit annoying, you can make kind of barricades around it, which I'm going to show you right now. That's optional though. So here we go. The barricade part is pretty easy. You just don't want it to look sloppy. So, you know. You want to make sure it's centered so it doesn't look bad. And then you just tie it, really. You can tie it once or twice. Depends on how much you cut out. Ugh, this is hard. Let's try this one. Okay, I finally got it through. So you just want to tie it like that. Now you can obviously see what this is optional. It's kind of hard since the string is small. You can make the string longer and then cut it, which is probably what I should have done, but oh well. And then you have that, so it won't move. I want it to be on that side. So then we do the other side. Okay, so sorry, that was way too small of a piece. So I just cut this bigger piece, and then you take scissors and you cut the excess off, which is super simple. So then this is the finished product on this one. I actually think this one is a bit cuter, but it's whatever you guys like. Then I take the little box, I put it on top of here. Normally I write someone's name, not sure who I'm gonna give this one to yet though. And then I add a little bow and stick it on there. And that's a great birthday, Christmas, anything really present. Or just for fun, you know, if you want to give it to your best friend or something. And then this one is the other one. So I'll just show you putting it on. So then it'll look like this. That's what this one looks like. This one's definitely for like a bigger hand. But yeah. So once you do it, you really get better and better at it. And you can also make these little stoppers on the end, but they're not really needed. So thank you guys for watching. Please press that subscribe button below